Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope so all my viewers are fine. So guys, this collection is all about the home decoration on Easter crafts ideas, Easter witch designs, Easter crafts related to the signboards, related to the basket ideas, centerpieces ideas. Hope you like the video, love the video, like the video, share my videos on daily basis. This collection is very interesting for you, amazing ideas, creative ideas, and like my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel, one of the best ideas related to the centerpieces. So thank you so much guys to watch my video, to like my video, to share my video. If you have any problem, if you have any question related to the crafting ideas, then please subscribe to my channel, share to my YouTube channel. One of the best collection are provided to you. Collection are so stunning, so adorable. Not the repeated design, not the old designs, all are so amazing, so creative, so uh, beautiful, simple ideas of Easter and the spring decoration of your home. So keep watching Easy Craft videos on daily basis.